Mathematician Alan Turing routinely bicycled to work, but he faced a recurring mechanical problem. Periodically, his bicycle chain would slip off the gears. Rather than guessing the cause, Turing applied a strict mathematical deduction. He counted the spokes in the front wheel, the links in the chain, and the cogs in the pedal, calculating the exact rotational intervals to identify the precise point of failure. A local bicycle mechanic, however, would solve that exact same problem without a single equation, relying entirely on intuitive, practiced expertise. Both the mechanic and Alan Turing display undeniable intelligence, yet they arrive at the solution using entirely different cognitive pathways. This creates a core problem for psychology. Because intelligence is subjective and manifests so differently across individuals, establishing a single, universal philosophical definition is nearly impossible. Early researchers recognized this limitation. They stopped trying to define intelligence with language and initiated the psychometric approach, shifting the focus entirely to measuring individual differences statistically. In this video, we will examine how psychology isolates general intelligence, engineers standardized tests to capture it, and mathematically proves its validity. To understand human cognitive variance, science had to abandon